FG considered out-of-court settlement with Onnoghen over removal as CJN. The federal government has expressed its intention to resolve the legal dispute involving former Chief Justice of Nigeria (CJN) Walter Onnoghen amicably. Onnoghen, who was removed from office in 2019 after being convicted by the Code of Conduct Tribunal (CCT) on charges of false asset declaration, is challenging the decision through an appeal filed with the Court of Appeal in Abuja. Tijani Ghazali, counsel representing the Attorney General of the Federation (AGF), revealed the government's stance during the court hearing on Tuesday. Ghazali, who served as an acting director of civil litigation at the Ministry of Justice, informed the court that efforts were being made to resolve the issues raised by Onnoghen through dialogue rather than prolonged litigation. Onnoghen, who was present in court, is seeking to overturn the CCT judgment, arguing that he was denied a fair hearing and the tribunal chairman was biased. He also contends the National Judicial Council (NJC) is the only body with the authority to discipline a judicial officer and not the CCT. Ghazali explained that the case file had only recently been transferred to the Ministry of Justice following the death of the former counsel handling the matter, Aliyu Umar, in 2020. As a result, he requested an adjournment to allow time for proper briefing. Onnoghen's counsel, Chris Uche, did not oppose the adjournment but urged the court to expedite the hearing. The appellate court granted the application and adjourned the case to September 19, 2024. Now, dem tok say person no declare asset fully and they don't give am fair hearing, and I know say I no be best people wey dey do, I know they wear black, I no be lawyer, but I know say you get rights. Every Nigerian get rights to fair hearing. E dey for our constitution. The man don dey challenge am now. They come dey tell us say they want out of court settlement. Many things dey happen for this country. The FJ used the CCT to execute political manipulation to get rid of the Cjn Onnoghen, paving the way for their own person to take over and do their bidding. After achieving and benefiting from that fraudulent act, they now plead for out of court, whereas the case would set a landmark precedent in the laws of Nigeria. This matter should follow through to a logical conclusion. Me, I go talk I no want out of court. Because, like how? That is exactly what I had in mind, that they removed him 2019. That means they put this person where them put there. They just find wetin dem go use comot am for there. And the thing, I will keep saying it. It is only Nigerians who are involved in this. It is when we, whether you be the judge, whether you be the lawyer, it is when we decide, start saying no to what is not good. We start saying no to evil and no to crime, no to corruption, no to bribery. I've said it before, by the time they want to do something and they have gone round and nobody will correct bribe. Let's say, for instance, your pikin want to write WAEC or JAMB, and then you go to the school, nobody collect bribe. Your pikin will know, you no go get any other option than to read book. You go use your hand, you go bring in lesson teacher. Person will be say, go open your pikin brain, put the book inside, close up. You don't get any option. Your pikin go gas read. It's either in read or in go learn trade or in find any other thing, because nowadays no be only school. Now any of the thing, if you find any other thing where you go do, or in go for adult class, maybe you go to do your business later in go. Any of these options, but certainly not that one. That is what it does. Let's say person want import things wey no good inside the country. Let's say like AFDAC now. The person import wetin you know say e no dey good. He already know say this thing no dey good. He import am because if he don't calculate in profit, say if he sell am, you understand, he go make money. Wetin he go do? He go import am. But if the thing land for NAFDAC office, for people go check for custom first of all, maybe custom people, if they go say no. If you won't give them money, they go say no. If other people even come check am, then go say no, guys, this is no fit pass. If you like, make it be say you borrow money, buy this market. Go tell those people borrow the money, say the business don't crash. Nothing there. Do you understand? By the time where everybody get this law, we stand by our laws. We be people of integrity. most of these things wey dey see today no go dey happen because na still fellow Nigerians like us na dey collect bribe, then they allow corruption, they look away make corruption dey happen. So they know what they did. They know now. You think they don't know? The same way they know that me and you are suffering and they don't care. This is the case of dog eating dog. Corrupt nation with corrupt judiciary. So what do you expect? One Nigeria is the biggest lie on earth. Judge Walter Onnoghen was removed from office to make way for Buhari's second tenure. I don't think he was removed to make way. I think he was removed to make way for, what's it called? For this person will sit down there. That's what I feel. Wasn't he deployed by Malami, the former Minister of Justice, to put his own man there? Yes. Useless APC terrorist party, instead of bringing that illiterate and marginal terrorist Buhari to account for his evil satanic role, God Almighty will surely punish him, his cabals, and those protecting the monumental field. Do you understand? Because I don't talk him. If Tinubu won't claim, say him, your hand no day, make him come outside. You see, everybody will serve under Buhari. If Buhari fall out, all those people go fall out. They will come start to do the probing. You get me? Then go start to do the probing. Well, it will save time, energy, and resources. So it is better FG packages the time, energy, and resources that would have been wasted in a giant billion van and drive straight to Onnoghen's backyard and pack it there. The FG is smart at beating people in their games. And do you think that it's supposed to be okay? No, they're okay. You know they're okay. Wait till them do the man. You know they're okay at all. Why was the option of out-of-court settlement not applied in 2019? We demand them. Respectable Justice Onnoghen would be the most stupid person on earth to accept such an insult. The law should take its course. After all, Nnamdi Kanu is in custody because the law must take its course. They are unstable as politics. No bribing this time. Oga has to face the music. Make we look am now. Make we see wetin the man go pick. But left to me, now all these small things, now they amount to the big things. Then do you something wey no good. If they can't give you money, I know say yes. Normal, you're not supposed to collect them. I mean, normal, you're not supposed to think am now. Especially now, be say they no go put you, they no go fit put you back for work. You understand? But now this small thing, they cause make people they collect bribery and corruption. Now make Nigeria still the routine they go. Make I go tell you the truth. Alright, on this note, you have come to the end of the news. We say thank you for tuning in to listen. Until I come your way next time, enjoy the rest of your day.